Good morning, students, and welcome back once again to the online classes. Today, we'll start with the chapter Motion and Time. In class 6th, you all have learnt about different types of motion. If you remember, you have studied about periodic motion, that means a motion which occurs at a fixed interval of time. Circular motion, the motion which keeps on moving in a circle. Okay, so you have learnt about periodic motion, circular motion, rectilinear motion, a motion which moves in a straight line, that is rectilinear motion. Okay, now here we will start with slow or fast. How slow or how fast an object is moving. Okay, so how do you measure what is slow and what is fast? Okay, so let's say that a car is moving. Okay, see, this is a car. So let's say that a car is moving. So will you be able to tell if this car is slow or fast? No, isn't it? So whenever you are talking about slow and fast, you always need something else to compare with. Or you can say that you need two objects to compare. Did you get my point? Looking at one car, you cannot say whether it is moving slow or fast. So you need at least two cars to compare whether the cars are moving fast or slow. Okay, so now we have got two cars and then we can compare the speed of these cars. So now let's say that if both these cars are traveling in the same direction, okay, you can see that there are two cars and they both are traveling in the same direction. So now can you tell me which one is faster? Now for that again we'll have to take an example. Let's say that one of the car is BMW. Okay, this car is BMW and another car is Maruti. So which one will be faster? Obviously you all know the answer that BMW will be faster. Okay, so let us say that BMW covers 2 kilometers in 5 minutes. Okay, it is covering 2 kilometers in 5 minutes, whereas Maruti will cover 1 kilometer in 5 minutes. Okay, so which one is faster? Obviously, the BMW is faster. Why is the BMW faster? Because it covered more distance at the same time. You can see here, both of them have got 5 minutes. Okay, but Maruti covered 1 kilometer and BMW covered 2 kilometers. So, which one is faster? BMW is faster because it has covered more distance as compared to Maruti car. Okay, so what is slow and fast? Fast means fast covers more distance in a particular time. Fast covers more distance, see, 2 kilometers in 5 minutes. Whereas slow covers less distance at the same time. We had given time, both the cars we had given 5 minutes. Okay, but Maruti covered only 1 kilometer. So that means it is more slow as compared to the BMW. So slow covers less distance at the same time. So I hope children that this is clear to all of you. Okay, slow or fast. Now let us move on to the next topic, that is speed. Now again, speed is related to fast or slow. Just now we saw fast and slow, isn't it? So speed is also related to fast and slow. Now for example, for speed we need the distance. Here for slow or fast, what did we take? We took the time. Okay, we gave 5 minutes to both the cars. Okay, but for calculating speed we need the distance. Okay, so now what happens at a given distance? So let us say that we will take 10 kilometers. Okay, the distance we have set is 10 kilometer. So now what is it? BMW and Maruti both have to cover a distance of 10 kilometer. Okay. Now the BMW, let us say the BMW takes 10 minutes to cover 10 kilometer, and the Maruti, it took 20 minutes to cover 10 kilometer. Okay, so how are we going to calculate that what is the speed of the vehicle? Okay, the speed of the BMW and the speed of the Maruti. So what is speed? Speed, we have got the formula. Speed we can calculate if we know the distance and the total time. Okay, so now the formula for speed is total distance covered upon total time. So we have got the time for both BMW as well as the Maruti. Okay, so we have to calculate the speed. How will we calculate the speed? What is the total distance? We had given the total distance as 10 kilometers. Isn't it? So 10 kilometers. And the speed of BMW is, again, what is the speed of BMW? Total time taken, sorry, no, not the speed, the time taken by BMW is 10. Isn't it? So that means, what is it? The BMW has taken 1 kilometers per minute. It is traveling. What is it? The speed of the BMW? The speed of the BMW is 1 kilometer per minute. That means in 1 minute it is traveling 1 kilometers. So here in the same way you can calculate the speed of the Maruti car also, isn't it? You can calculate the speed of the Maruti car. What is it? The speed, total distance was 10 kilometers and upon 20. Okay, so you can calculate it. So that means whose speed will be more? Obviously the BMW speed will be more. Okay, on calculating you will find that the speed of BMW will be more as compared to the Maruti. So this is how you can calculate the speed. Okay, so that means a higher speed indicates that a given distance has been covered in a shorter time. Okay, more speed means it will indicate that it has covered it will take short time. Okay, so this is how we can calculate speed. I hope, children, that this much is clear to all of you. The rest will continue in our next class.